I gave Claude one instruction: help me launch an online brand from scratch. It gave me a step-by-step business plan, product research, brand identity, website copy, content strategy, all of it in under 1 minute. And every single step it gave me, I'm gonna walk you through it in this video using real tools so that by the end of this video, you're gonna have an actual roadmap to launch your own online brand. We're doing this together, start to finish. Before we get into this, my name is Ritu Mas. I built multiple online brands using organic dropshipping. I've crossed over $1.9 million in sales doing this exactly the way I'm gonna share with you. I used those funds to buy my financial freedom. I bought multiple businesses, including my most recent one for my parents. I own multiple property and also moved out of Canada on the ocean with my own private elevator, which honestly sounds surreal to me to this day. You might also notice my new background, the beautiful ocean behind me. I am living a life I was once dreaming about. However, I am always going to be very real with you. It took me a lot of work to get here. However, now with AI, your workload is cut in half. So when I tell you Claude changed how I think about this business, I'm saying this as someone who's been doing this for years. This isn't replacing the work. It's making the work faster and smarter. And this is where AutoDS comes in. It's the all-in-one dropshipping platform we're going to use to build your business. Think of Claude as your strategist telling you exactly what to do, and AutoDS as the tool that lets you execute what Claude tells you to do. Together, they cover the whole thing. Now let's get into it. Step 1, ask Claude where to start. It's as simple as that. The first thing I did was open Claude and type exactly this: I want to launch an online brand from scratch using organic dropshipping. I have no products picked yet, no website, and no following. Walk me through every step I need to take. And Claude came back with a clean, logical sequence. Step 1, find a winning product. Step 2, build your brand. Step 3, build your store. Step 4, create content to drive sales. Step 5, stay consistent until it compounds. That's the framework, and this is exactly what we're going to be executing right now. Quick note on which version of Claude to use. For this, you want Claude Pro. The free version will get you started, but it does hit limits fast. And when you're using it to build a full-blown business, product research, prompt, brand strategy, website copy, content scripts, you will hit that wall very, very fast. Okay, step 2, product research. Claude's first instruction was very clear. You need a product that solves a visible problem that people discover on social media and immediately think, I need this. And it has to be something they can just walk into Walmart and grab for cheap. Now here's where we execute and find the winning product together. You're gonna sign up for AutoDS. It's gonna be the first link in the description box below. With this link, by the way, you will get a 3-day trial for just $1. And once you've signed up, you're gonna meet me right here. And I'm gonna be sharing my screen with you so you know exactly how to do this on your own. Alrighty, welcome behind my screen. This is obviously AutoDS. You can see it right here. And I'm inside the hand-picked products tabs. Trending products is also a really, really great tab to find products. By the way, if you want more in-depth videos on exactly how to find products, I have so many videos like this. I'm gonna make sure to link it down in the description box for you. But for now, let's just try to find a good, solid product together so you have a visual example of everything I am talking about. So this is one way to just go through it. You just browse, scroll, and try to find something good. Okay, I actually really like this product and I'll tell you why. So we have these type of things where it basically cleans or purifies your water, right? But they tend to be very, very expensive. I feel like this could be an affordable version of what exists out there. I think this is really, really nice, and it's so easy to make proper videos on social media because you can show the before and after, right? Fresh and used. Whenever you can show before and afters for a product, it does really, really well. And look at this, guys. 1 month ago, it was listed, already sold over 17,000 units. I think this is a very good example of a winning product that you can sell even without showing your face, and you can sell it to a really, really large audience. You also have lots of examples of videos to post. That's why I love AutoDS. It's because there's all the data. You can also use these images for your website. So you don't even have to take pictures yourself. Everything can be taken directly from AutoDS, and you also have different use cases. Okay, this is a great example. Now the goal is to find something with a real problem behind it, decent margin and visual appeal, because it needs to work as content. When you find a product you're interested in, take it back to Claude. Ask, is this a strong organic dropshipping product? Who is the target buyer? What problem does it solve? What would make someone stop scrolling and want this? Claude's answer tells you whether you're onto something or whether you need to keep looking. This back and forth between AutoDS's data and Claude's analysis is the combination that makes your product decision actually strategic instead of you just guessing. Step 3, build your brand. Now that we have our product locked in, you go back to Claude and you ask it to build your brand. Here's the exact prompt. My product is XYZ, the target buyer is describe them. Help me create a brand name, brand tagline, brand voice, and product description that feels premium and speaks directly to that buyer. Claude will give you everything, the name, the tone, the story behind the brand, and copy that actually converts. This matters more than most people realize. The difference between a store that gets visitors and a store that gets sales is almost always brand clarity. A visitor who lands on a page that feels generic will just leave, let me tell you that. A visitor who lands on a page that feels like it was built for them, they buy. One of my journal brands had over 21,000 followers and generated $500,000 in profits in just 2 years. And that was not simply because of a massive following. It was because every single touch point, the name, the content, the product pages, spoke directly to one specific buyer, and that's exactly what I'm teaching you how to do in this video. Claude helps you build that from day one. Because remember, in marketing, when you talk to everyone, you are talking to no one. For example, let's just say that you are selling products for babies. In the videos, you want to address moms and dads. For example, moms, does your kid do XYZ? Yes. Then show them the product and how it's going to solve the problem. Or dads, does your kid do XYZ? Then you show a solution to the problem. And that's exactly how you talk to one singular person. You are making content for them. You are building a brand for one singular type of people. Step 4, build your store. Your brand exists. Now it needs a home. This used to be the step that stopped a lot of people. You either had to hire a developer or you spent weeks watching Shopify tutorials trying to piece something together. Now you no longer have to do any of that. AutoDS has a feature called Build Your Store AI that builds your website for free and fast. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in less than 2 minutes. By the way, I have multiple in-depth video on AutoDS for the sign up process, finding products, etc., etc. If you need more help, I will be linking down even more videos to help you out in the description box below. Also, if you've been enjoying this video so far, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. That helps me out so much. So once you have your website, you want to personalize it. Go to Shopify, plug in the brand name, the colors, the copy Claude wrote for you. But the heavy lifting of actually building the site is done. For a beginner, this is a game changer. The store is not what should be taking your time. Getting to content and sales is where your time should go. And that's exactly what we're going to get into in step number 5. Step 5, content strategy and UGC. This is the step most people rush and most people get wrong. Once your store is live, you go back to Claude and ask exactly this. I have a product XYZ, brand targeting XYZ. What type of content should I be posting on TikTok and Instagram to drive organic sales? Give me 10 content angles. Claude will generate a full content strategy, hooks, angles, formats, the emotional triggers your buyer responds to. But here's where it gets interesting. Claude will almost always tell you, use real people showing the product. For example, UGC or user-generated content. Real faces, real reactions, real use cases, not polished studio content. Content that feels like a discovery, not an ad. And AutoDS has a feature built specifically for this called Create UGC. It's going to be located at the top right of your screen. I will leave a link for you in the description box below that gives you access to a 3-day free trial for Create UGC. So let me jump again behind my screen to show you exactly how this works. Okay, so to access Create UGC, you're going to see this right here, generate sales, ready, UGC ads. And then let's just say I want to sell this product right here. It's a power bank. I'm going to click this right here. And then there's so many different options for you to generate different videos. I am going to do product in hand. And then your product is displayed when held in the avatar's hand. Let's just do this option right here. Continue. I'm gonna paste the link from AliExpress. Hit continue. You're gonna see how cool this is. Now I'm going to pick one picture to be used in the video. Obviously everything is taken directly from the listing, the name and the description. Okay, let's leave it at general. This aspect ratio is perfect for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, and 15 seconds is good. Let's hit next. Okay, for my avatar, let's go with her. I'm gonna do next. You can choose different voices. This is so cool. So let's just go with this one.
Welcome to Create UGC app, the #1 place for creation of UGC content.
Now it's generating my scripts. This is amazing. There's a funny version, a selling version, a professional version. Let's go with funny. Let's do generate. And this usually takes a few minutes. Alrighty, let's click on our video.
Tired of your phone clinging to 1% like it's a cliffhanger? Our magnetic wireless power bank snaps on faster than your ex's texts. Juicy 15W fast charging for all your gadgets. Click below. Power up instantly.
Amazing! This is so cool. This is so easy to use as well. Again, the link for Create UGC is going to be in the description box below, so you can have a bunch of videos directly filmed for you, so you don't have to show your face or do anything. You just have it generated by AI and you can start posting. Create UGC lets you generate UGC style video content for your product without having to find creators, negotiate rates, or wait weeks for you to get the content, which is such a pain sometimes when you deal with people. You can basically produce content that looks and feels like a real person discovered your product, which is exactly what stops the scroll and drives purchases. That is what AI-powered content creation actually looks like in practice, not just using ChatGPT to write captions. Using actual tools that produce the output the algorithm rewards. Take the angles Claude gave you, feed them into Create UGC, and now you have a content library to launch with. Now let's get into step number 6. Post, analyze, repeat. You need to post every day. TikTok and Instagram Reels. With my store, Stora Kitchen, built from scratch, no following, no ads, I got my first sale after 29 pieces of content over almost 1 month. Most people post 6 videos, see nothing, and quit. The people who quit are funding the success of the people who stayed. Your analytics tell you exactly what's working. Pay attention to your analytics and your data. For example, watch time is your most important signal. If people are watching your videos through the end, the algorithm pushes it to more people. If they're clicking off in the first 3 seconds, you need to fix the hook and try again. When a video holds attention and generates sales, you've found your formula. You recreate it, you reiterate it. That becomes your content playbook. Now, this is exactly what Claude mapped out for you. If you've been sitting on the idea of starting an online brand and you just needed someone to show you the actual steps, this video was for you. The tools exist, the strategy is clear, the only thing left for you is execution. I also run a free live training where I walk you through how to launch your own online brand from scratch, step by step. The link is going to be in the description box below as well if you want to join the next one. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. That helps me out so much. I will see you next week for my next video. Bye!